Alright guys, let's go ahead and review this Dewalt 12 volt max lithium ion drill impact driver combo kit DCK211S2. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside. Alright guys, so off the back it's pretty awesome. It came with a Dewalt tool bag there, the impact drill, then the regular drill, and then it came with the charger, and then it came with 2 batteries, an instruction manual. This is actually really awesome. It feels really good. They're really compact. This is exactly what I needed for my jobs, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a very powerful tool to use. It feels good on the hand. So far, this is a great item for $99. This is what I got for Black Friday. It's so good. And we're gonna go ahead and charge this up and test it out. Alright guys, so overall, these little tools are awesome. They're nice and strong. It was quick to charge. It's very compact, and it feels good in the hand. I really would recommend this Dewalt drill for $100. You cannot beat the price. It comes with the little LED lights. These are gonna go so good in my toolbox. This is amazing. I also bought the Milwaukee. I do not like how it sits in the hand, and this Dewalt feels good on the hand. So I would really recommend this. You know, Dewalt's a brand that it speaks for itself. Dewalt is the bomb. Alright guys, you guys have a great day.